So that means that although he has that additional money that you saw, that does not mean you're going to get 15% of all of that money. Okay. All right. So what were you thinking his child support should have been? So I can tell you it's not that.
I just thought a smooth 1,000 would be substantial.
You thought
for both of the kids together?
Oh, so 2,000 each?
No, 1,000 total.
Oh, 1,000 each, 2,000 total.
I mean, that'll work too.
Okay. She came in confident. She saw the flashy lifestyle. She did the math herself. 2 kids, 2,000 a month. Easy. But the judge sees through it because that extra income she saw, it's not that simple. And when she hears the real number, her reaction says it all. But the final decision is still up in the...
I think what we need to do is, first things first, set aside some money to go get crib, clothes, diapers, like supplies.
No, so here's the first thing we're gonna do, is a paternity test. If I'm not the father...
I'm telling you, you're not the father.
Okay.
There's no reason to do a paternity test.
I'm not the father, I'm not paying for someone else's child.
Period. Come on, ma'am. After cheating on your husband and getting pregnant for another, you're asking him to pay for baby supplies? What do you take him for? A simp?
When this mother kept her daughter from the father for months, despite a court order, she found out exactly what happens when you ignore the judge twice.
I just want a relationship with my child. I want my parenting time that was missed. I would like it made up because this is just ridiculous. It hurts the child.
There was another referee which held her in contempt for denial for those particular months. And you're saying basically January and February as well, you've been denied parenting time?
Not only that, but I'm also saying I have been denied parenting time. Period. I haven't received 1 minute of parenting time since we've been separated.
Well, what would you like to tell me, ma'am?
Before I did that, I found some disturbing videos in my daughter's phone sent to her dad. They were disturbing. There was an investigation. The investigation was closed. I have no clarity on that situation, but that's all the whole parenting time.
Stop. Who did the investigation?
The Battle Creek State Police.
Did CPS do an investigation?
Yes, sir.
City Police and CPS didn't find anything, did not substantiate. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to change a court order, you have to come into court to do it. You can't do it unilaterally on your own because that order still stands until it's changed.
Have you seen the videos, Your Honor?
Well, presumably the police and CPS all saw the videos. Is that correct?
Yes.
And they weren't concerned enough to take action on it. And so you do not dispute that you've kept the child from him, at least in January, February, March.
Yeah.
So it looks like basically 5 weeks worth of parenting time. So I understand your concerns, but you have to have facts and evidence when you come to court. You just can't make wild accusations. The court will find that you, in fact, are in contempt of court for denial of parenting time. He's entitled to his 5 weeks of make-up parenting time and his regular weeks. So it means he would have the child for 10 weeks straight. The court is going to remand you to the custody of the Calhoun County Sheriff. You will remain in the sheriff's custody until the child is turned over to the defendant.
Well, she thought court orders were just suggestions and she could keep a father from his own child without consequences. The moment the judge realized he had ignored the court twice, the entire case flipped and she learned the hard way that nobody is above the law. That's what happened when someone mistakes a courtroom for a negotiation table. Here, one thing is hard to ignore. When a judge issues a lawful order, repeatedly refusing to follow it can have serious consequences. In this case, the court didn't just issue another warning, it changed custody arrangement and enforced its decision. Stories like this remind us why family court cases can become so complicated. Allegations deserve to be taken seriously. At the same time, court orders exist for a reason, and repeatedly violating them ultimately hurts everyone involved, especially the child. So guys, do you think the judge made the right call by giving Dad 10 straight weeks of custody? Or should the court have handled the situation differently? Let's know your thoughts in the comments.